Yes, epic yesers. What are we up to? I got something really exciting for you today. We're going to use a phone to demonstrate. And we got the Pulse Forever. This is really, really cool. We're going to split it on this phone. And we're going to make this phone look absolutely epic. And it's going to be protected. That's the biggest thing. So, how do we do it? Well, first we got to get past the thin plastic. That's always the fun part, right? All right, there we go. And we can open this right here. Let's see what this looks like. Very, very cool. We open it up here. We can actually see how this looks. I'm liking this already. We have another one. And we actually have some cute panda stickers, instruction manual, and the installation tools, plus just a little thank you. So very thank you, Wsken. And right here, all right, installation tool first. I want to let this guy down. Get you a little wet wipe. And we have the dust absorber, which this is pretty sophisticated. And we have another wet wipe, another dust absorber, and then finally we have the instruction manual. So what we want to do, we have all the steps, but we just lift up the screen protector. We go ahead, clean the screen with the alcohol package, which we just did. Then we have a dust removal sticker. Then we place the screen protector down on the installation tray. We have the dust elimination. We hold the top of the kit on the lid and roll to fully vent the screen protector. Last, tear off the outer, make sure nothing else remains inside the box. Install the two local posts on the holes. Press them firmly and have it secure. Also, one kind of cool thing is, here we have all these wet wipes. We can get this to fit in like this. So I'm going to go ahead, have our dust absorber, take this, as such. Oh, this is going to need a little bit of adjustment. So I have right here. See that right here? Now if I want to use the full extent of that, I can also put some cute little panda stickers. Panda. 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 So, just to go over it again, what the heck did we do right here? So, we unboxed it, we lifted up the screen protector, put the phone in the installation tray. We cleaned the screen with an alcohol pack, which I actually did that before, but we cleaned the screen with an alcohol pack. We get some of these. And we cloth with a dust removal sticker. Then we put down the screen protector into the installation tray. Pull the dust film, elimination film, remove the particles, hold the top of the kit of the lid, slowly roll. The last, tear the outer protector layer, make sure nothing else is inside the box like this. Then install the 2 locating posts at the top of the protected film. Press them firmly to tight, and the replacement is completed. That's in short what we did. I think this is an extremely useful tool. I'm gonna be using it myself, and I hope you will use it as well. This is what this looks like inside. Digging it a lot. Guys, go check this out. Get a screen protector for your phone, because you never know when something might happen. I'm gonna have to give this a big yes, epic yes. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Get something to protect your phone.